Hi, welcome to DIY. Today I'm going to talk about a kind of dessert. It's like dumpling. So the thing is made from plain powder mixed with water. So they make something like this, and then they have also palm sugar. So a strong palm sugar. So they make it a small piece, and then they put it into the wet powder. Then they make it drawn, and then they boil it. So in this water. So after like 1 minute, the ball is getting floated, and after that they can move from this hot water into the cold water. So the first time this ball is floating in the cold water. But after 1 minute, it getting sunk. So after it getting sunk, that is good enough to eat. In Khmer, this one we call Num Phlae Ay, so a dumpling light, but it's not salty. This one is used for dessert. So for Cambodian people, when they have free time, they always make it like this. But if you go into the market, you can see also some women selling with a slice of coconut on tops. So it is very nice. I like it a lot. So when I was living in my village, I always chase my mom to make this dessert for me. So it's very good. So soon we are going to test it. Okay, let's try the first one before the cook get ready. So let's test it one with me. Okay, right, got it. So it's very nice, very cool. So this one is not yet decorated. It's not yet making any presentation on it. So it's just a plain one. So just take it from the cold water. So let's try it. Yeah. Very good. I already eat the coarse sugar. So normally the coarse sugar is already melted, so you cannot see it. Very nice. Okay, so Num Phlae Ay is now ready to eat on a nice presentation on the plate. So let's test it together. It's very sticky because this made from plant sticky rice powder, so it's very sticky. Let's enjoy it together, please. Yeah. Very cool. It's very nice, very sweet. It's very nice. Want to eat it? Come to Cambodia. Bye bye.